Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 10 ideas to increase YouTube watch time for new channels. Want to increase your YouTube watch time and monetize your YouTube channel with some easy fine tuning? You can elevate your YouTube channel and engage viewers for longer in a few steps. What is watch time on YouTube? Watch time is the total amount of time a viewer watches your YouTube videos. Watch time gives YouTube creators valuable insights into what their viewers enjoy watching the whole way through and clicking. This visibility can lead to monetization opportunities for creators like brand sponsorship and collaborations. The average audience retention rate is between 50% to 60%. So the longer a viewer watches your video, the better it is for YouTube channel. Now I will discuss the 10 free ways to increase YouTube watch time. The number one method is edit an engaging YouTube intro. If your video is not receiving the view count it deserves, try creating an eye-catching intro on YouTube to add to your content. A video intro hooks your audience right at the beginning, showcasing your personality and convincing your audience that there is value in your video that is worth watching. Have you never made a YouTube intro before or want to spice up your existing one? Head over the Web's YouTube intro maker and make a YouTube intro in just a few clicks. The second method is batch create content for a consistent video schedule plus YouTube series. Whether your channel hosts your YouTube tutorial, unboxing videos, or blogs, planning content ahead of time contributes to your YouTube channel success. Another way to stay on a consistent video schedule is using the YouTube series feature. YouTube series give viewers a specific timeline for when to expect the next episode and the ability to rewatch content in order. The third method is design recognizable YouTube channel art and thumbnails. Branded YouTube thumbnails and channel art can help contribute to subscriber retention and return user rates as your videos are more recognizable. Make sure to keep logos, fonts, and unique color schemes on your YouTube channel. Stand out in the sea of video content by adding logos and graphic elements to thumbnails and channel art. The fourth method is optimize video description for your YouTube SEO. Your videos can rank higher in search engine results with better YouTube SEO practice, meaning more views and engagement. Just find the main keywords, then include those words in your YouTube description, tags, and video title. The fifth method is divide video into YouTube chapters. YouTube chapter make it easy for viewers to understand your YouTube videos better. Viewers can skip to specific section of your YouTube video by selecting the timestamp, with each section of having a compelling narrative. The sixth method is utilize your YouTube shorts to add to YouTube watch time. If you have been publishing YouTube shorts, they are more than likely contributing to your channel total 4,000 hours watch time, increasing your monetization chances. Every time a person uses your YouTube short, it counts towards the overall watch time of your channel. YouTube shorts can now be found on YouTube desktop shelf, giving short content to better opportunity to increase views. The seventh method is engage in the comments. Creators often underestimate the power of the comments section hold. Having active video comments is a simple way to encourage new viewers and influence them to subscribe. Create a YouTube community by asking viewers questions, feedback, and replying to comments. YouTube fans enjoy personalized interaction with their favorite and content creators, and having their comment is pinned. The eighth method, create a YouTube end card with channel name and website. Like your YouTube intro videos, YouTube outros and video loops can add extra value to your video content. YouTube outros can include social media handles, YouTube, your channel name, website, the subscribe button, and even recommend. YouTube videos viewers are more likely to watch again and increase your watch time. Amplify your YouTube channel brand awareness and watch time by adding a professionally designed YouTube outro to your videos. The ninth mechanism is generate YouTube playlist. One of the easiest way to increase your YouTube watch time is to add your videos to a playlist. When viewers click on your YouTube channel, they can view all of your videos of the same generation into the one list. Making video more accessible means viewers can quickly view them. Getting a free watch time includes tools. The 10th method is make videos accessible with caption. Bonus tip. Want more people to review your videos even if they are on mute. Make YouTube content accessible to more people with the help of caption. YouTube generation auto caption for every video using speech recognition technology. Creators just need to proofread the caption and edit by mistake first. So, thank you for watching my video. Bye.